Put an insulator on the other end.
All right, folks, the 2000 is making an initial run here this evening. Looking real good, heading for Cocoa Yard. Look at this baby go. Make sure you come on out and join us tomorrow. See if I can catch up to that little devil. Just fly my helicopter right over him as he runs right through Hollywood. And we heard that we were going to have problems on these rail joints, but this little baby's doing just fine right now. Heading for Medley. Give me a big smile, Thomas. You've earned it. He sure has. Look at that guy. All right, we're looking good. We made it around northbound. Now we're going to turn around and get the southbound fast mail running and see if we make it southbound. It's going to be a big show tomorrow. We'll have a good time. Got a great location. Gonna have a lot of fun.